Yeah.
Okay, these are really good.
Go drop her a follow. Give her $1 million. No joke. If you have
Drop
$1
her a
million,
follow, give her $1 million. That's what we're saying, Kanara.
just do it.
Mm.
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 Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. Mm.
Mm.
So good. Mm. I'll just give you a handshake for that one. That deserves a handshake.
I got the handshake.
That's a Paul Hollywood handshake. It's so good. Mm. You need some water?
I got the handshake of approval, y'all. Mm.
Okay, so hold on. They're really good.
They would like to see that dance again.
They're kind of salty.
They are a little salty.
I'm not going to withdraw the handshake.
Mm.
It is a little salty.
Mm. Mm. Okay, these are delicious.
Well, the guys at my work are sick when I do them. What are you dancing? I can dance.
These are so good. These are so good.
Yeah, they're really good.
So what time are we leaving for this casino on Friday?
Like in the afternoon. You're coming to get me. It's on the way to work. We're leaving the Jeep in a gated community that Zach lives at.
Okay.
Because I didn't want to leave it at work.
Fair enough.
I mean, I trust it, but
And you're
if
leaving.
I have the option to have a gated community, I'm going to use that. Check it out. Yeah. I'll do some stuff.
So I need to bring all your stuff with me.
Yeah, I'll pack it beforehand. Just a one-nighter. Maybe some trunks.
Mm.
Go hit the hot tub.
Oh my God, it's so good. Is Michaela coming?
Yeah, but they have to go back home because they couldn't get a babysitter.
That sucks.
Yeah, it's hard with 3 children.
Mm. Mm-hmm.
They need a nanny.
Mm.
Where's your hair? Did you just eat all that on stream?
Mm-hmm.
You never do that.
I'm hungry. All right. I'm gonna check out my eggs. I'm gonna start pulling them out. Maybe. That was so yummy. Oh no! I broke it a little.
Meatball.
I had all my meatballs. So they're sticking a little, which is not.
Fungi? What is that? What's that?
What?
Beef stroganoff? Is that a joke?
Yeah.